children, how are you? I am fine. I am Subna, KGB Vigurla. Last week we discussed about 8th class English, the turtle blanket, first paragraph. Now we are going to learn about other 4 paragraphs in our lesson, the turtle blanket. Before we going to learn about the lesson, children, I give you one task to you. See children, what is it? Yes, this is the story of the monkey and elephant. See, the monkey and the elephant. See, what do you observe in this picture? There are so many elephants are there, one big monkeys are there, one big elephant coming towards them. See, a group of monkeys were playing on a tree in the jungle. Suddenly, they hear the loud sound of an elephant trumpet. The monkeys were afraid. They ran up and down the tree. Soon the elephant came very close to the tree. A little monkey looked up at the elephant and smiled. The elephant picked up the little monkey and put him on his back. The little monkey shrieked with joy. What do you think happened next? Yes, look it. The other monkeys saw this. One by one, they dropped down from the tree onto the elephant's back. The elephant started moving. The monkeys had a jolly good elephant's ride. So, this is the story of the monkey and the elephant. So, children, you observe in this picture what was happened there, how the monkeys are very happy in the last of the story. So, children, after that, I will show you another chart. See, corn. Grandfather brings home a tractor load of corn cobs. Grandpa roast corns for Sujata. Little girl's name is Sujata. Sujata, grandfather is. She likes roasted corns. She likes to eat roasted corns. Sujata's grandma boils corns. Grandpa and grandma eat boiled corns. See, Sujata feeds boiled corns to the birds. Birds come to eat corns. Birds eat to cook corns. So this is the picture of corn. This is the story of corn. A little girl Sujata. So now children, you add some more sentences regarding this story. This is a 5 minutes activity. This is a 5 minutes activity. So children, you develop some more sentences and write down in your notebook. Is it right or wrong? Your teachers will correct to your notebooks. So children, are you understand what I told here? Okay. Now we going to our lesson. Okay now? Thiruvananthapuram. I just stopped in on my way back. Oh, Kamala, who is it? There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice. Amma, why are you so scared? Kamala, Gopi's elder sister asked her a little awkwardly, as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. Amma, it's me, Gopi, he said again. He bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheeks. Amma, it's me. Gopi, Kamala, I can't believe it. As his school closed for vacation. Amma is often like this these days. She does not recognize anybody. Gopi's sister explained, but sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then she asked me if you have sent any letter. I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala and the kids. What is the point of telling her that you have not written for a year? Poor thing, I would not dream of making her unhappy. I got a promotion last year. After that, I am always on my toes. And there are tours quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. Why didn't you ask Vimala to write? Or does not she get any time to? What are you mumbling over there? Amma said loudly. I hear somebody coming in a car. Who is it? I told you it's Gopi. But Gopi isn't really, isn't he? Yes, Amma, it's me. I have come from Delhi. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said, suddenly lowering her voice. I mean, what is his wife's name? Don't say you have forgotten her name too. Don't you have remember Vimala, district collector Nambiar's eldest daughter? Gopi's sister said, oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? There was. He writes every day. I'm terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. He knows it. That's why he writes every day. Look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned him just as I told you. You know nothing about what's going on here, do you? Who is that? Amma said again. Who is that in a car? It's me, Gopi said. I had to come to Thiruvananthapuram. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. So children, this is our paragraph I explained today. Last time I explained about first paragraph. Who came to see Amma and Kamala? Gopi. Gopi came to see Amma and Kamala, and they sitting behind their home and look very sad. And now next we come to our these paragraphs. So this is our paragraph, children. Look into your book and read it yourself for identify the unknown words. Identify the key words in these paragraphs. So children, please read it yourself for 3 minutes. Read it yourself and make some words, unknown words in this paragraph. Read it yourself, and now we see what are the synonyms we identify here. What are the synonyms we identify here? See children, synonyms of this paragraph: scared, afraid, Recognize, keep in mind. Explained. Explained. Illustrated. Memory, the ability of the brain. Promotion and advancement in position. Promotion and advancement in position. Mumbling, speaking unclearly and quickly. Mumbling, speaking unclearly and quickly. Remember, memorize, forget, pass over. Terribly, terribly, these are very badly. Terror are very badly. Scared, afraid, awkwardly, with discomfort, wrinkle, uneven, vacation, free time, recognize, keep in mind, explain, illustrated, memory, the ability of the brain, promotion and advancement in position, mumbling, speaking unclearly and quickly, remember, memorize, forgot, pass over, terribly, terror, very badly. So children, you see, you observe what are the meanings of the keywords or unknown words. So let us explain about the paragraph. She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man, Gopi. This description regarding to Gopi. How was Gopi to look at? Bald, fat, middle-aged man walking into the gate. Oh Gopi, she said in her grating voice, why this sudden unexpected visit? Why he suddenly came to his home? Because a meeting in Tirunanthapuram. Kamala, who is it? Her mother asked loudly for her veranda. Kamala's mother asked again and again. Same question. Kamala, who is it? Kamala, who is it? Gopi the man said, there was a meeting in Tirunanthapuram. Where was a meeting held? Tirunanthapuram. Where was meeting held? In Tirunanthapuram. I just stopped in on my way back. Oh, Kamala, who is it? There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice. Amma asked again and again the same question. Who was it in a car? Who was it in a car? Because she didn't recognize him. That's why she asked the question again and again. Amma, why are you so scared? Kamala. Gopi's elder sister asked her a little awkwardly, as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. She asked it. Amma, it's me, Gopi said again. Gopi replied to his mother, Amma, it's me, Gopi. Amma, me, Nine, Gopini. And చెప్తున్నాడు అన్నమాట. He bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheeks. Amma, it's me. He bent and close to her face and replied to her, Amma, it's me, Gopi. I'm coming from Delhi. I was in meeting in Tirunanthapuram. That's why I came to see you, Amma. He replied to his mother, but his mother recognized him. Gopi, Kamala, I can't believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? Asked her. Amma is often like these days. She does not recognize anybody, Gopi's sister explained. Gopi's sister Kamala said to him, Amma lost her memory because of old age. So she did not recognize anybody. That's why she also did not recognize you because of she lost her memory. But sometimes her memory is quite sharp. But sometimes she asked about you and your children, your wife. Then she asked me if you have sent any letters. She also asked me, are you write any letters? Are you give me any replies? She asked about you, but you can't. I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala and the kids. Vimala and the kids. I tell about all the things are happen very happily. So Vimala, who is Vimala? Vimala is Gopi's wife. What is the point of telling her that you have not written for you? Poor thing. I would not dream of making her unhappy. But what is the real reason? What is the reason? What is the truth? But you don't write any letters for last 1 year. You don't visit us. You don't write any letters to us. It is a very, very poor thing. You don't write any letters to us. You don't care about us. మేము ఇక్కడ ఉన్నామని కానీ మా గురించి అని కానీ నువ్వేమి కూడా ఆలోచించట్లేదు, తలుచుకోవట్లేదు. You don't write any letters to us. So I told her that everything is fine. Amma, everything is fine. Kids and Gopi's kids, Gopi's wives also very happy there. He write every day. I tell to her, I got a promotion last year. After that, I am always on my toes. And there are toes quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. Gopi replied to his sister, I write letters, but I have no time. Because I got a promotion last year. So I am very busy with my work. So I don't have any time to write letters to you, Kamala. Please try to understand me. Why don't you ask Vimala to write? Or doesn't she any time to? Why don't you ask to Vimala? Vimala is also an officer. She is working. No, she is not a working woman. She is a housewife. She has so much time. But why don't you ask to write a letter to us? Kamala asked to her brother. What are you mumbling over there? Amma said loudly. What are you mumbling there? Amma said, old woman asked again and again. What are you mumbling there? I hear somebody coming in a car. Who is it? She asked again this question. I told you it's Gopi. But Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? Where was Gopi live? Where did he live? Delhi. Where did he live? Delhi. Yes, Amma, it's me. I have come from Delhi. Gopi replied to his mother. Yes, Amma, I am Gopi. I am coming from Delhi. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said, suddenly lowering her voice. I mean, what's his wife's name? What is the wife's name? Gopi's wife's name? Vimala. Gopi's wife's name is Vimala. He was in Delhi. He was a government officer. Don't say you have forgotten her name too. Don't you remember Vimala? District Collector Nambiar's eldest daughter. Gopi's sister said, Amma, you don't remember her. Gopi's wife's name is Vimala. Gopi's wife's name is Vimala. Vimala is a eldest daughter of Nambiar. Nambiar is a district collector. You don't recognize? You don't remember her name? Your daughter-in-law's name is Kamala. Kamala's father, Vimala's father is district collector Nambiar. Amma, your daughter-in-law's name is Vimala. Vimala's father is a district collector Nambiar. Oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? There was. He writes every day. Why the woman ask irrelevant questions? Because she lost her memory. She don't know what he asked. So, I'm terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. He knows it. That's why he writes every day. So, but you, Gopi, you don't write any letter to us. But our Amma asked about your letter. Is there any letter from Gopi? Is there any letter from Gopi? She asked again and again. But you don't write any letters to us. You don't care about us. How we are living here. How we feel very sad here. You don't ask anything. You don't see to visit us. Even you don't write letters also. See how terrible we are. How our mother lost her memory. How eager to know, eager to see you. Look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned to him. Just as I told you, you know nothing about what's going on here, do you? Just I told you, you don't know what is going on here. You don't know how we spent our life very miserably, very sadly. You don't know, Gopi. You don't know anything. What was going on here? Who is that? Amma said again. Who is that in a car? Again the old woman asked the same question. Who is coming to our home? Who is that in a car? It's me, Gopi said. I had to come to Tirunanthapuram. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. Why Gopi come to his home? Because a meeting in Tirunanthapuram. There is no intention to see them in Gopi's mind. It isn't a Tirunanthapuram's meeting. One meeting held in a Tirunanthapuram. That's why he visited to see Amma and Kamala. There is no intention to see them. So, children, this is our paragraph. What is the paragraph? Actually, it is there is a meeting. So, Gopi came to his village, but Amma did not recognize him. Amma did not recognize him. So, children, let us, what are the antonyms in this paragraph? Identify this paragraph, see that. See, children, scared, bold, scared, bold. Little, big, little, big. Open your notebook, children, and write down these antonyms. First one is scared, bold. Scared, bold, little, big, or much. Awkward, comfortable. Awkward and comfortable. Believe, believe. Distrust, believe, distrust. Loudly, loudly. Softly, loudly, softly. Loudly, sharply. Sharp, sharp. Blunt, sharp, blunt. Forget, 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 remember. Forget, remember. Happy, unhappy. Happy, unhappy. So, this is our antonyms in this paragraph. Now, children, you write some more antonyms in these paragraphs. You read the lesson once again. You observe any opposites in these paragraphs. You write down some more antonyms. Now, children, we explained about this. After that, we going to know about what are the comprehensions here. Reading comprehensions here. See, first paragraph. She saw. I read it yourself. See, she saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man walking in through the gate. Oh, Gopi, she said in her greeting voice. Why this sudden unexpected visit? Kamala, who is it? Her mother asked loudly from the veranda. Gopi, the man said, there was a meeting in Tirunanthapuram. I just dropped in on my way back. Who? Kamala, who is it? There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice. These 5 lines are take one paragraph. Okay, children? Look at. Describe the man who was walking into the gate. Write down, children. Describe the man who was walking into the gate. Why was her voice unpleasant? Why was her voice unpleasant? Who was Kamala? What do you know about her? Who was Kamala? What do you know about her? Please write down in your notebook, children. Why was there a note of alarm in Amma's voice? Why was there a note of alarm in Amma's voice? Where was Gopi coming from? Why did he go there? Where was Gopi coming from? Why did he go there? This is the first paragraph's questions. So you pause the video and write down these questions. Next, come to our second paragraph. Amma is often like these days. She does not recognize anybody, Gopi's sister explained. But sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then she asks me if you have sent any letter. I tell her everything is fine with you. Vimla and the kids, what is point of telling her that you have not written for a year? Poor thing, I would dream of making her unhappy. See, like that, I got a promotion last year. After that, I am always on my toes. And there are toes quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. This is the second paragraph. Children, are you observe it? This is the second paragraph. Now you write the questions of second paragraph. What is the problem with Gopi's mother? What is the problem with Gopi's mother? Second, what would Gopi's mother usually ask her daughter about? What would Gopi's mother usually ask her daughter about? Third, who is more affectionate with the old woman, Gopi or Kamala? Who is more affectionate with the mother, old woman, Gopi or Kamala? Next, who would not dream of making the old women unhappy? Fifth one, why does Gopi say that I am always on my toes? Why does Gopi say that I am always on my toes? This is the second paragraph, comprehension questions. Now children, next third paragraph. See, look into your box. Why don't you ask Vimala to write, or does not she get any time to? What are you mumbling over there? Amma said loudly. I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it? I told you it's Gopi. But Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? Yes, Amma, it's me. I have come from Delhi. Who Gopi marry? Amma said, suddenly lowering her voice. I mean, what is his wife's name? Don't say you have forgotten her name too. Don't you remember? Vimala, district collector Nambiar's eldest daughter, Gopi's sister said. Oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? There was, he writes every day. This is the paragraph, children. And now we discuss about the questions. See, who is Vimala? Who is Vimala? Vimala is Gopi's wife. What are you mumbling over there? Who said these words? What are you mumbling over there? Who said these words? Where did Gopi live? Amma, it's me. I have come from Delhi. Who is I in these passes? What was Vimala's father? What was Vimala's father? These are the questions. 5 questions from 3rd paragraph. Now children, last paragraph. I am terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. He knows it. That's why he writes every day. Look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned to him. Just as I told you, you know nothing about what's going on here, do you? Who is that? Amma said again. Who is that in a car? It's me, Gopi said. I had to come to Thiruvananthapuram. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. So children, this is our 4th paragraph, last paragraph of this session. So, see which questions, which type of questions we answer it. He knows it. What does it refer here? He knows it. What does it refer here? What did she say to her brother? What did she say to her brother? 3rd one. Who is that in a car? Who said these words? Who is that in a car who said these words? I had to come to Thiruvananthapuram. Who said these words? I had to come to Thiruvananthapuram. Who said these words? And 5th one. Where was Gopi coming from? Where was Gopi coming from? So children, these are the 4 paragraphs. You write down the answers in your notebooks. Your ma'ams correct your notes in WhatsApp. So you write down the answers and take a picture and put it in a WhatsApp. So children, this is our 4 paragraphs. Now we write a possible conversation between Gopi and his sister Kamala. He tell about that. In our every paragraph we write one discourse, either letter writing, diary entry, narration, description and conversation. Now today we wrote about know about a conversation. Children, you already learned that. What is a conversation? Are you know that, children? Yes, you know that. Your madams told about in your last year classes, 7th class and 6th class also. Suppose last year you learnt about the conversation between village mouse and country mouse and a town mouse. So that the same time we will know about the conversation between Gopi and Kamala. So suppose tell you about what is a conversation. It is a conversation between a mother and a children. Listen carefully, children. Child and a mother. Mother, Amma, mother say that and child say that. Child begin with a child. Child say that. Amma. Amma tell that. What? Child. Amma. What? Child. Chocolate. No. very healthy for your health. So, this is the conversation between mother and a child. So, at the same time, we prepare some more or add some more sentences to convert a conversation. So, children, you read the lesson thoroughly once again and develop a conversation between mother and between Kamala and his sister. So, children, I make one conversation between Gopi and Kamala. See, Gopi and Kamala. Conversation between Kamala and Gopi about, he said that he did not have time to visit. So children, you observe all these sentences how I write there. You add some more sentences this conversation. Okay na? See. Sister, Gopi, just I have told you nothing about what's going on here, do you? Gopi, just I have told you nothing about what's going on here, do you? Gopi, of course I don't know. Of course I don't know. Sister, what is the special reason for you arrived here? Sister, coming to sister. What is the special reason for your arrival here? Gopi, I had come to Tirunanthapuram to see you and Amma. I had come to Tirunanthapuram to see you and Amma. Sister, owing to old age, she has become forgetful and senile. Because of old age, she is forget. She don't recognize anyone. Gopi, yes, I understand it clearly. Yes, I know that. I understand that. Sister, did she recognize you? Did she recognize you? Mother recognize you, Gopi? Gopi, no, she didn't recognize me. She didn't recognize me. She didn't recognize me. Sister, why don't you come to see Amma all these days? And why don't you write to us? Why don't you write a letter even? Why don't you visit to us all these days? Gopi, I got a promotion last year. I don't get any time to write to you. Last year I got a promotion. So because of my work, busy work, I don't write any letters to you. So this is the conversation between Kamala and Gopi. Kamala and Gopi. Now you add some more. Only 5 exchanges. Only 5 exchanges. Gopi and sister. Gopi and sister. Gopi and sister. Let me conclude it, this conversation. How to write the conversation? How to conclude it? I will tell you. Children, what Gopi said that he don't have any time to write letters. And then next, asked about what the sisters reply. Why don't you ask to write Vimla? Why don't you ask to write Vimla? Gopi replied, she is also busy. She is also busy with children, to take care of children. Why? What is the work? She is a working woman. She don't get any job. She don't doing any job also. Why don't you ask to write a letter to you? This is the way to add some more exchanges in this conversation, children. Please write down in your notebook. Once again, I will read it. Sister, Gopi, just I have told you nothing about what's going on here, do you? Gopi, of course, I don't know. Sister, what is the special reason for your arrival here? Amma all these days, and why don't you write to us? Gopi, I got a promotion last year. Don't get any time to write to you. So, this is the way we write a conversation between two persons. So, children, you add some more exchanges this conversation. Now, we want to close this session with a small activity. See, children, these are the flashcards, picture flashcards. Starts with, what are you observing this picture? Apple and snacks. Letter A. Starting with A. So children, you identify what are the words starts with A in this paragraph. First, last class and this class, you identify that. Our lesson, Tartar blanket. You identify the words starts with A. How much words you write, I see. Okay, na? See, apple starts with A. This is the picture of an apple, X. So, observe it. Apple, ants, X. Next, B starts with B. You observe any words in these paragraphs starts with B. How many words you find? I know that. I want to know that how many words you write with starts with B. See? B. B for bus, B. See that? Okay. Next. C. What is it? C. C. Cat, crow. Next. D. D for dog, doctor, like that. D. E. Starts with E. See there? What are you see there? I. Elephant. Next, F. F. Starts with F. Flower, flag. G. See? One fruit. Goa. And goat. H. See there? Okay, na? Hut and hen. So, is it enough, children? A to H. A to H. You write down in your notebook. First of all, you read the lesson thoroughly. Make words in our paragraph, in our lesson only. Okay, now? Okay, children? You make words A to H. A to H. So, let us conclude. What is the lesson today? We discuss here what is the 4 paragraphs here. First paragraph regarding coming of Gopi. He coming from Tirunanthapuram. Why he coming from Tirunanthapuram? It is in a meeting. But he was in Delhi. He is living in Delhi with his wife Vimala. Who's his wife? Vimala. Vimala his wife. Vimala and Gopi lived in Delhi. Vimala's father is a collector. His name is Nambiar. He is a district collector. And Gopi and Kamala discuss about his visit, and Amma asked about his visit. But what is the state of old women? What is the state of old women? She is very old. She is become 80 or 90 years. She lost her memory. She did not recognize anyone, and she don't look clearly also. That's why she asked again and again the same question. Kamala, who is in a car? Kamala, who is coming to our home? That's why she lost her memory. She told her. That's why Kamala asked to Gopi, you don't write anything. You don't write letters to last 1 year. You don't see you also. Do you know that how all these days we spend our time very miserably. What is going on here you don't know. Why don't you visit us? Why don't you write letters to us? She asked to her brother. But Gopis replied in the same, I don't have any time. I got a promotion in our village, in our town. I don't have any time. I have a very busy work with this, my office, in my office. So I don't write any letter. This is the paragraph about this session. So children, please be careful and please be listen very carefully what I told here, what I discussed here, which work I give you. First of all, a 3-minute activity. This shorts corn. This is the 3-minute activity corn. Please see that. This is the pictures. You pause the video. You don't see that pictures. So you pause your video and observe what are the pictures in this chart. This is the 3 minutes activity. After that, you made some more antonyms and synonyms. These are the flashcards of our antonyms. Write down some more antonyms. Use your dictionaries and make some words. And write the conversation. Write the paragraphs questions comprehension. Paragraph wise comprehension questions. Write down that. These are the paragraphs of our questions. Paragraphs. So children, there are 4 paragraphs in our session. See. Look at here. After that, you make a conversation. Only 3 lines. You make only 4 or 5 or 4 exchanges, conversations. And make some flashcards. These are the flashcards. It is very 5 minutes activity. So children, it don't take any much time. Now, you prepare A to H. A to H words. These are our only in our lesson. Lesson లోవే ఇందులోవే మీకు ప్రిపేర్ చేయమని చెప్తున్నాను. ఈ లెసన్ లోవే స్టార్ట్ అయినవి, A తో స్టార్ట్ అయినవి, B తో స్టార్ట్ అయినవన్నీ కూడా మీరు ఇట్లాగా చూసి రాస్తారు. సరేనా? ఓకే. ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్? సో this is our session children. I hope you all understand my lesson. We will meet another session. Be safe. Stay at home. Wear mask. Sanitize your hands. Be safe children. Don't go outside. So, let us meet another session. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all.